whispered words now feed a love that died. Lonely streets where shadows seem to sway. Every sunset paints a shade of gray. Echoes of a melody we played, falling like confetti dreams we made. Tears, they form a symphony of pain. Raindrops drumming on my window pane. Heartbreak's rhythm plays a mournful tune, dancing with the ghosts of me and you. Broken harmony, no longer sweet, lost in every ache, every heartbeat. Your touch, it lingers like a ghostly trace. Memories engraved, they won't erase. Stars, they spell